So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 on your system without any USB drive. So you just need to have this Windows 11 ISO which is on my desktop. You can see you can get it from my link, and if link is not working you can join my Telegram. All those links are there. You can try any link. So before that, let me tell you why you need to install it. So Windows 11 is very fast from Windows 10 and it have lots of animation and new user interface, and it's completely look like Mac OS. Okay, so let me install it, and after install you will see how it's look like, and let me tell you, you will not lose any kind of data and all that, and it is free upgrade. You can do it. You just need to have this ISO file. Okay, so just download it and follow the steps whatever I'm doing. So you can also say that how we can upgrade from any Windows to Windows 11. So now you are in Windows 7. So can you upgrade to this Windows 11? Yes, definitely. You can follow this video, and it doesn't matter what Windows you are currently using. You can just directly upgrade to this Windows 11. So let me just open this PC, and you can see I'm not using any USB and all that. Nothing is here. You can just right click here and mount it. It will open in your file explorer. You can see here this is a ISO file. So here you need to just run this setup. Right click here and run as administrator. And now you can see it's start installing, and nothing complicated here. And if you face any kind of problem, you can comment, you can contact me on Instagram. Okay. So now you can see install Windows 11. So here you need to check this option like I want to help make the installation better. Okay, so you need to just check this, and you can see install Windows 11. So you can see it is saying setup will go online to get updates. So you need to just connect with your internet, so you will get updated Windows 11 or updated driver for your PC and laptop. You can read it. So just click on next. So this is a complete 2-hour process. So if you have free time and have 2 hours, so you can just follow my video. So just click on this accept. So now we can see ready to install, and install Windows 11 home single language. And if you have Windows 10 Pro or any edition, that will be showing here. And you can see here option is checked, keep personal files and apps. Okay, if you want to clean install, you can just click on choose what to keep, and you can see keep personal files and apps. You will be able to manage your Windows settings. Okay, and if you click on this keep personal files only, your settings and apps will be deleted. If you want to delete everything, so like you want to remove all the files from C drive and clean install, then you can select nothing option. But we are upgrading, we don't want to delete any kind of file and apps, so just choose first option. Just click next. So now you just need to click on install. So whenever you click on this install, it will restart your PC and install Windows 11 on your laptop or PC. Okay, so just click on install, and now you can see installing Windows 11, and it's very simple. You just need to run the setup, and that's it. Okay, so next process I will tell you. Let me forward the video. So now we are in, and you can see how it's look like. This is a Windows 11, and you already watched so many videos. This is a simple video to how you can get Windows 11 on your PC laptop without using any kind of pen drive, bootable USB, and you don't need to set up anything. As you can see, if you install from bootable USB, you need to do some setup in a starting. So this is a very best way. If you have any Windows 7, 8, 10, whatever you have, you can just download this file and run the setup, and all things will be done. So you can see this is a start menu. So it's pretty fast. I can feel it. Windows 10 was very slow in this laptop, so I can feel it very good. And you can see some animations and all that. You can watch my earlier videos if you want to look into Windows 11. I have already full video on it. So all those links are in description, so you can just watch those videos. And let me show you, some guys will say like license is still there or not, and I have my activated Windows. Okay, so let me just show you. Go into update and security, and inside activation you can see Windows 11 home single language. Windows is activated with the digital license linked to your Microsoft account. Okay, so by this way you can just upgrade, or without losing any kind of license, without losing any kind of file, data, apps, whatever you have, that will be remain in your PC or laptop. So you can see all drives are same, nothing deleted here. So now you can just follow this video and enjoy Windows 11. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new on this channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.